How about a nice game of bingo, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. A nice game of bingo, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's try gringo. I mean bingo.
Okay, gringo. I mean bingo.
Yes. You mean gringo? I mean gringo. Oh, gringo.
G9.
Walter has it. Put the color circle thingy on that thing squared.
You have it. It's right here.
Well, let's continue.
Let's get...
Pepe. Pepe. Hurry up and do it right. Pepe, do you have it? Yes.
He says no.
Huh? Hurry up. J9. One second.
B3.
I have it. I have B10. I need B3. Oh!
What?
Earthquake!
Earthquake! Pepe, where have you gone? Pepe, where have you gone? Where's